5, 4.
Hey guys, it's me, Minato, and now I'm going to eat bread. Yay, look.
Today, what bread we got?
I don't know, but why this is green?
It's all from Family Mart. Japanese style bread from Family Mart.
And a pan. Looks like cookies.
Oh, this one? This one, it says Mochi.
Mochi!
Yeah, Mochi bun. This one, it's a Mochi. Family Mart Mochi bun.
Now I open the...
Let's try one by one, Minato. Let's try one by one.
I'm gonna try to bite this.
Yes.
So soft. So take the bite.
How is it?
I don't like.
What? Why?
But it just like this.
Oh, can I try? Why you don't like? Because it's not sweet.
Because got nothing inside.
Oh.
Only got hot dog.
Oh, I see. Got nothing inside. Let me see. This. Oh, it's just because it's a normal bread. That's why I got nothing inside. Let's try. I try, okay? I love it.
I love it.
I can taste the butter. So nice. I love it. Now you're trying which one?
Green.
Green color one. This is melon pan.
Let's try one more.
Yeah, melon pan.
Yeah. Can you try this?
Okay.
So big. It's like now. What?
Looks like pow. Bite. One bite.
Wait, you smell? It's a little bit yummy.
Smell like melon pan, melon bread.
You try.
You like? So nice?
Yeah.
Melon bread, melon pan.
Bite. You like the bite?
Inside got nothing. Let's try. It's nice. Oh yeah. Inside got something. Orange thing.
What?
Can you?
Oh, I forgot.
Let's open and see. It's so yummy.
Don't blow.
No, let's open.
So,
Oh, inside got what? Is it a cream?
I don't know. I think it's a cream.
Let's try this one. Minato, try inside.
I don't know.
Mommy, try. Like this. Custard cream. I think it's a custard. Let's try.
So like
This is so yummy, Minato. Wait.
A
Try
little
first
one,
inside.
like
A little
that
bit. Okay, you try inside the orange color cream. So nice. Nice. You like? Okay, it's so nice. It's so yummy. Let's try next one. Now, what is this? Oh, can I see? Minato, can I see? Wow, this is Okonomiyaki sausage bun.
Stop it. I love.
This is sausage. This got sausage inside, but it's a Okonomiyaki style. I've never tried this before. It looks so yummy because I love Okonomiyaki and also the sausage. I love sausage in the bread. So yummy. Let's try. Minato also love to eat sausage bread. Always he like.
Not like I don't know.
Minato, can you bite? Can you finish biting? Okay. Minato, let's try this one. Okonomiyaki
I'm
style.
gonna try to cut.
No, no need. Just bite.
Help me boy open. Can you help me open half?
Open half?
Yeah,
For what?
Gonna open.
Okay, let's
So
open.
I'll cut.
Okay. Oh no.
Let me try from the hot dog.
You like?
Good.
Is it nice? I try also. It's quite nice. I can taste the okonomiyaki and sausage together. It's so yummy. Now what is this one? Oh,
This is.
it's another melon pan, but it's not the green color one.
Yeah, but I don't want.
This one I love. It's so yummy. Smell nice. You know this is melon pan. Bite. Oh. How is it? It's my favorite.
My favorite also now.
You love
Yeah.
melon pan.
I will eat all.
Wow, melon pan. This is sweet. It's nice. I try. So yummy. Oh, so yummy. Let's check inside. If they got the cream inside or not. Let's try to see. They got cream inside. I think it's a custard cream. Let me try. No, it's not the custard cream. It's like a butter and sugar mix. Now the last one.
Here we go, Abba.
That's a cheese bread. It says.
Yeah.
Oh no, Japanese. It says Japanese cheese pan. Japanese cheese pan. What is that? Japanese cheese bread. How is the taste?
Nothing. Got nothing.
You haven't reached until inside. Wait, let's cut. Oh, I think it's cheese inside. Let's try. Minato, come. Let's try. It's a Japanese style cheese. I don't know what is Japanese style cheese, but let's try. Try inside. So yummy. Wait, where's here? How is it? This is a sweet cheese, not salty. So it's more like a custard cream.
Everyone, this Japanese bread is so yummy. Did you try it before? Thank you for watching my video. Bye.
Say bye-bye.